Hello and welcome, my master Lama Rasaji. And this is the Thursday's episode of Rasaji Speaks. So happy that you could join us today. Let's check out the title for today's lesson. From the seed to the garden, how focused faith and love creates our reality. Focus and faith. Well, when we start to do the Tai Chi Gong exercises, little is our faith, and most of us are extremely out of focus. And we're wondering why our life is going kind of like crazy, right? Like a little bit of chaos, because you're still part of the world. But as you spend more time here with Tai Chi Gong and understand that Tai Chi Gong came from here, you begin to humble yourself. You start to do your figure eight exercise, and the mind in the beginning didn't know what you wanted it to do. But all of a sudden, it goes from the back seat of the car to the front seat because now it knows how to drive. And then I'm doing body twists. What is it you want me to do? Totally realize there is an outward motion called Tai Chi and an inward motion called Wu Chi. And all of a sudden, the mind starts to learn what to do. If I focus on this, it becomes like a magnifying glass, and now I can enhance the chi itself, right? I can enhance it. I can use my mind to enhance it. It's amazing. People think mind's just for thinking or not thinking. Most people are not advanced enough to know the value of not thinking. Usually takes a little bit of growth to know that knowledge, right? Faith becomes a growing stair step to heaven. See, because the more you begin to change, and people notice it, you notice it, faith actually gets easy because the experience now brings us a deeper meaning of the faith. That's right. When you look at focus, faith it's gasoline on the fire of faith, is it not? It's gasoline on the fire of faith. That's what it is, right? It's amazing because when I start to feel what Tai Chi Gong is doing to my spirit, mind, and body, the true Chanda, and I'm able to focus in a way, then faith is growing in me. I notice what led me to the faith was an unconscious being wanting to become awake, to become conscious, right? An unbridled mind that's now gently bridled, enjoying life, enjoying nature, not afraid of nature, embracing nature, loving trees, loving human beings, loving ascension tours. Oh my goodness, you've never seen so much love as in an ascension tour. Just imagine in an ascension tour. Here we are, we're doing Thursday's class. Lama Ji has just flown in to Nashville, and we're so excited. about this weekend. Wished you all could be there. Still not too late if you want to do the live streaming on Saturday, right? Go to thecircleachieve.com, click on events, and find us on live streaming. I think you'll enjoy the 6 hours plus of live streaming on Saturday. Beautiful music, beautiful chi, beautiful energy, wonderful. You're going to feel the love come through your computer screen. And you're going to want to be with us in St. Petersburg. And you're going to want to know how to get your ticket for that, because there's a ticket with your name on it. That's right. There's a ticket for St. Petersburg with your name on it. Wait till you hear where we're going in March. It'll blow your mind. It's amazing. We're so happy that you can be with us today to understand what we are doing. We are shifting into balance and wholeness and the love of the Almighty and all of His creation, because we have a heart for Abba, because we have His Son's heart inside of us, Jesus. And Jesus will be heard. And the living Christ, the core behind everyone. Amazing. Amazing grace. How sweet the sound. I am so happy. Dozing a little bit because the yin cycle is coming in so strong. You feel it? That's right. We just came out of the anniversary of the portal of Shiva in the yin cycle is now upon us as we move into the Nashville event. Wow. Hope to see you soon. God bless you all. Baraka Bashai. May the blessings be. See you tomorrow on Shangri-La Friday. God bless.